Welcome everyone to lesson 9. We have filters. So filters are just like preset of colors. You can apply it to your state image or to your video, of course. So we have Saitama Sensei again. If we like applied this, as you can see, the filter was added and now you have different lights on the character. Let me undo it and try to apply like Reunites, as you can see. Okay, so you can split, of course, your image and add two filters. Let me cut it here and apply this to the first one and apply this to the second one. So you can see it right here. Okay, now that would be it for the filters tab. Again, all the options on the right side will be explained in different lessons. Now, as always, if you put a star, it will show you the filter in your favorites tab. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.